Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best locks for motorcycles in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Tchipie Disc Brake Lock. You can find cheaper motorcycle locks, but you won't find one that matches this brake lock in terms of value. This disc lock features a 7mm pin that fits through the majority of cross-drilled brake discs. Although this lock is strong enough to prevent theft, it won't stand up to machinery for long. Luckily, it has a second deterrent in the form of a 110 dB alarm. Built-in sensors detect movement and set the alarm off for about 30 seconds, which should be enough to scare off any potential thieves. When the lock goes into alarm mode, you'll hear a beep. If it detects vibrations while in alarm mode, it will sound a triple beep to let potential thieves know it's armed. The bright red paint job serves as a deterrent and as a reminder to take it off before riding away. There's also a bright orange reminder cable included in the purchase. This lock won't offer the same level of protection as its more premium counterparts, but it's a great option if you're on a tight budget. Number 2. Our second best pick is BigPantha Motorcycle Lock. This motorcycle lock is a simple product best suited to low-risk urban areas. This tamper-resistant lock engages your front brake so your bike can't be rolled away. It works with motorcycle grips up to 1.5 inches in diameter, so check your bars before buying it. The biggest issue with this style of lock is that thieves could lift your front wheel and roll your bike into a truck or van. But if you just want an extra deterrent, this style of lock is easy to use, and you can fit it in place in just seconds. Another one of this lock's major selling points is how portable it is. You can easily carry it in your pocket or backpack as it weighs just 17 pounds. Or, if you'd prefer, you can use the custom holster that's included. One thing to note is that there's no rubber protection over the lever. So, if you're worried about scratching your levers, it might not be worth the risk. Number 3. Our third best pick is the Club Utility Lock. This lock is a heavy-duty piece of equipment and a great choice if you have an anchor point. Its extra heavy-duty construction can withstand up to 1,500 pounds of pressure, making it one of the toughest locks on the market. But you'll need a sturdy anchor to make the most of this model. A vinyl coating covers the case-hardened steel, protecting your wheels and whatever you anchor this lock to. It's 6.25 inches wide, and you can adjust its length from 8.5 inches to 11.5 inches. But if this isn't big enough, a larger model is available. This lock's large proportions are also its only real fault, as it's a bit bulky to bring around but can fit in a backpack. 4 keys are included, so you don't need to worry too much if you're prone to misplacing things. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Abu's Granit Motorcycle Disc Lock. Disc locks don't come much tougher than this motorcycle disc lock. The locking bolts, body, and structural parts of the locking mechanism are all made from hardened steel. This material, coupled with the 13.5mm locking bolts, makes it a particularly tough lock to cut through. Lock pickers won't have it easy either, thanks to the built-in Abu's XPlus cylinder, which is specially designed to be difficult to manipulate. 2 keys are included in the package, one of which has an LED light. A 100 dB alarm, which sounds for 15 seconds, acts as your next line of defense. If the 3D position sensor detects the slightest movements in any direction, it triggers the alarm. The alarm runs off of 2 AAA batteries, which are included. Multicolored LEDs display the battery status. This is considerably more expensive than other disc locks on the market, and heavier too, but it offers significantly more protection. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is VULCAN Security Chain and Lock Kit. If size and weight aren't an issue, it's difficult to recommend anything other than this security chain and lock kit. It's nearly impossible to cut through this case-hardened chain, and it's absolutely impossible with bolt cutters. potential thieves will either need an acetylene torch or a lot of time with an angle grinder. The padlock forged brass one-piece body padlock is equally as secure as the chain, weighing in at 7.24 pounds, which means this lock is anything but lightweight and not ideal for carrying around. But if you have a top box or want to use this for home protection, it's perfect. This model is 6 feet long, but you can pick a longer or shorter version depending on your needs. The chain has an electro-galvanized finish to protect against corrosion. Keeping your rims protected is a Cordura pad, which fully covers the chain. This model is sold at a high price point, but its protection level warrants this. VULCAN stands by its product and offers a lifetime guarantee on the chain, including if it's ever cut with a bolt cutter or hand tool. The Case-Hardened, square-link security chain has an electro-galvanized finish for maximum corrosion protection, and it is fully covered in a Cordura pad to protect against scratching on valuable tire rims, paint jobs, powder coating or other finishes. This anti-theft kit works perfectly as a bike chain and bike lock, motorcycle chain and motorcycle lock, trailer chain and trailer lock, or ATV chain and ATV lock. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.